Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Call of Duty Warzone 2 game on your PC. Guys, first open up your any browser and just search for the Steam, and Steam website will appear on the top. So just open up the Steam website, and here you will see the login option on the right hand top. So just click on the login option, and here just log into your account, and if you don't have an account then just create an account. Guys, once you created the account, then click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top, and here just download the Steam and install it into your PC. Guys, this is very simple and easy process. Then just open up the Steam and then click on the top search box you are seeing, and here just type the Warzone 2, and this game will appear on the top, which is the Call of Duty Warzone. Just click on that, and guys, here in this page just select your date of birth, so I can just select any randomly. Then just click on the option of view page you are seeing here, and then here you just need to scroll down. You'll see the option of add to library. So it is showing the option of play game because this game was already in my Steam library. So just click on the add to library option, then just go to the Steam library you are seeing on the top, and on the left hand side you will find the Call of Duty Warzone. Just click on that, click on the install option. Then the Call of Duty Warzone 2 was start downloading and installing into your PC. And if you find this video helpful, so please like it, and I will see you guys in the next one.